Bonjour, hello everybody. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to say Miigwech. Thank you to everyone who's been engaging with our content and following us on social media. We're so heartened by the response and really delighted to get high quality Ojibwe language, culture, history, and justice content out there. For those of you who've been following on different platforms, I'd like to recommend that you check out the YouTube channel because all of the content is searchable by topic, by title, by keyword, and is organized into playlists, so it's really easy to access, use, archive. A lot of educators are using it in their content there. And we have recently opened up kind of 2 tiers on our YouTube channel, so there are well over 1,000 free videos, and we're putting some special content into our subscriber database so that people can join and get easy access to educator content, marquee keynotes, and have first access to all of the videos before they drop in the normal schedule. Again, thank you everyone. We appreciate you and love you so much and look forward to staying in touch. Miigwech.